Hi, this is Vicky from Sound Company. So now I'm gonna show you how our pelvic chair work. So this is the main devices and connect with the chair. This is a pelvic chair. Here is the energy coming out. So now I will do some demonstration of how the energy is. First, we'll show you the program. So here is a program. From the list, here is the auto mode that combine different frequency to work. So you can choose any one and enter to start working. And also there is a manual mode. Under the manual mode, there is about 10 type of the energy pulse output. So I will show you this one first, one by one, and you can see how different mode sound different. So here I can increase the intensity. Let's increase the intensity first. And then, okay, I will come to the FM. So now it's FM. Let's start. So the FM mode is like the one by one I will show you. So now it's FM mode. So you will start from the relaxing first and then do yeah, so this is FM mode. Okay, so now I'm doing the FM mode. So now let's try the next one. The next one is FM sign. So FM sign, you can see from the wave. So this is the FM sign. So you can feel the feeling is different. Under each mode, the frequency and the pulse output is different. So the feeling is different when it contract the pelvic muscle and also the private part. So here we come to the FM elevate. So this one, FM elevate and FM sign, a little bit different only from the sound you hear, but the feeling is different. So this is FM sign. And then we'll come to the FM nang. So this is the FM nang. You can see the pulse is more short. The pulse is shorter. The pulse is shorter. And it's like flat. The output is flat. And then we come to the FM change. FM change, the feeling is like it were from the low to high, and then maybe from the low to high, and then go to the low. So it's like give the pelvic muscle contract and relax, contract and relax. Check and then relax. So let's see another now. AM stairs. AM stairs is like you keep going, you know, keep going, keep each pulse coming out, each pulse coming out with the same distance. Keep coming. So the pulses keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. So this is AM stairs. You can hear the sound is like keep coming, no stop. This is AM stairs. Keep going on, no stop. And then we go to the AM sign.
AM sign, so you can see the image here.
So this is like, it give you a the hard pose, and then relax. You see that it give you a hard contract pose. Give you a hard contract pose, and then you come relax. Give you a hard contract pose, relax. So the feeling is different as the previous one. So this is the AM sign. You can hear the sound. It's like hitting the, also can feel it to the pelvic, to the up. So this is it.
And then we come to the AM elevate. AM elevate.
Okay. So the feeling, AM elevate. Okay.
So basic mode. So now I come to basic mode. Basic mode.
So this basic mode I can feel also very intense. This is the mode that use more frequently under the auto mode. So this one's like give you the contraction and then give you the contraction, and then stop. Give you the intense contraction and then go. So this is another pose, also intense. You can sit where and
then we go to the. So this is the finish total 10 mode. Total 10 mode.